right now we are looking at a unit calendar, and in this unit calendar you will notice that it has all of the levels and it has all of the sections and the levels that will guide you in order to complete the module on time. And I just want to reiterate, this is a suggested timeline. Ideally, I would like you moving at your own pace. Some of us work a little faster, some of us work a little slower, but this is to help manage our time well in order to be successful and master the whole module. There are different colors in here. Anytime there's an orange color, that just means that we are starting a new unit that day. That is my goal. This is a living document too, and as you notice, it's in a Google Doc, and sometimes I might change it based on, some days, we might have a drill, we might have an extra long morning meeting, or what have you. Anytime there is a light green shading, there is something that's going to alter a schedule that day. On these days, for example, there's a field trip and then there's a dance. This could also change due to having advisory days where we'll have a shortened schedule. But if you have any questions on our unit calendar, please don't hesitate to contact me.